Hi, I'm Claire and I'm a pastoral worker at All Saints. At this time of year, we hold a Christingle service in church when we hand out Christingle oranges and raise the money for the Children's Society. This year is different, however, and we're not able to have our usual service, so I'm going to show you how to make a Christingle orange in your home. We will need an orange, some red tape or a red ribbon, or failing that, you could always use a piece of paper painted with red paint or a red pen, a square of tin foil about 10 centimetres on each side, a small candle, 4 cocktail sticks, some raisins or some little sweets. Each element of the Christingle has a special meaning and helps to tell the Christian story. So we begin with the orange. This represents the world. Now your orange may have one side that's slightly flatter than the other, so make sure that this is used as the base. I'm going to make a cross in the top of the orange, like this. And we're going to use this cross shape to put our candle. Next, we're going to take our red tape or ribbon and we're going to wrap this around the fattest part of the orange. So this red represents Jesus' love for us and the blood that he shed for us. Because of course, Jesus has love for the whole world. Then we take the 4 cocktail sticks and put some sweets or raisins on the end of each stick. The sticks remind us of the 4 corners of the earth, north, south, east and west. And the fruits or the sweets remind us of the bountiful goodness of God's love for us and of the seasons, spring, summer, autumn and winter. Christingles have been used by the Children's Society for over 50 years. The money raised at Christingle services helps the Children's Society to support their life-changing work with children and young people by bringing some light and hope into their lives. Thank you for supporting the Children's Society, and I hope that you have some fun making your Christingle at home.